Hello everyone, welcome here. My name is Rashidat Adike. So today I want to do a short tutorial on how you can organize your veils and your accessories. A lot of people complain that they find it difficult sorting their veils and their accessories, especially accessories. If you don't take good care of them, they can tarnish, or some parts can go missing, can get broken, the stones can fall off. So you really need to take good care of your accessories and your veils. We all know how expensive our veils are, right? So we need to take good care of them. So hold on, and while at it, please subscribe to my channel. I have a lot of tutorials here for smartphones, for accessories and all of that. So you want to check through them. I'm sure you will get value. And this is my drawer for earrings. This is how I keep them organized. I use cupcake papers. You can get any of this in any of these stores around you. I use a cupcake paper to keep each earring in place so that it does not tarnish. And then this is how I keep my bangles. I'll show you a short tutorial on how I achieved this. Then I have a teacup and a saucer, an old teacup. This is what I use it for, to store my earrings and rings. So that's about it. And then I found an empty container, found a tissue or anything to wrap around it, and then I use it to hold my bangles. You can even use the long tissue papers, the empty roll inside of it. Just find something to wrap around it to achieve this, so that you can keep your bangles in place. Now for the necklaces, you find one of your hangers and wrap around the necklaces, wrap it around it. Just use it to hold the necklace in place. This also prevents it from tangling, especially on days when you're in so much hurry. You will not be delayed because you're trying to untangle a necklace. You can even open the clasp and just put it round the hanger to hold it in place. There is no hard and fast rule to this. You can. And then for the veils, you can wrap the veils, just use it to hold the veils, especially if the veils are not silky. But in a situation where the veils are silky, you want to also roll it into the hanger. Just take each veil and then roll it into the other, roll it into each other like this to hold it in place. This way, when you keep the hanger in your wardrobe, the veils will not slip off. So that's it. Can you see what it looks like? So beautiful and well organized. Now we have my hangers for necklace and for the veils. I just keep them in my wardrobe to keep it in place and use anytime I want to. You see, this is it. It's well hanged and organized. And this is my dehumidifier to keep my wardrobe fresh and free of moisture. Now to the big veils, you want to roll each veil gently into one roll. Just roll each veil like this, and then you store it away in your drawer. I use a side drawer to keep my veils in place. Can you see? And if it can take as many as you want, depending on how you roll the veil. It can take as many as you want. Can you see there's still extra space here? And now you can even fold it in this way. Fold the bigger veils in a square shaped way, and then fold the medium sized veils on the side. Then for your socks, just find all your pairs of socks, pair each together, and then fold it into one leg. This way you always find your socks, and that's it. You will not always look for your socks. I know we always say that there is a demon eating our socks in the house. I hope you got value. If you did, please let me know, and do subscribe to my YouTube channel.